Welcome back to O-Level Oasis, your go-to place for preparing for the O-Level Biology 5090 exam. Today, we're kicking off Chapter 18, which is all about biotechnology and genetic modification. We'll start with Unit 18.1 and go through each specification step by step together. The topical notes are attached in the link in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Now, let's begin. So let's begin with specification number 1, which asks us to explain the role of yeast in the production of bread and ethanol. But before we go into that, we first need to understand what biotechnology actually is. The key definition is, biotechnology is the use of biological organisms, systems, or processes in industry, such as in manufacturing and services. In simple terms, biotechnology means using living organisms or their components in industrial processes to produce useful products or carry out important tasks. Biotechnology involves using organisms like bacteria, yeast, or plants, or even their cells and enzymes, to benefit humans. These organisms are very useful because they can carry out natural processes that we can take advantage of. For example, microorganisms like bacteria and yeast are used to produce antibiotics, enzymes, and fermented foods. They are especially valuable because they reproduce quickly and can produce complex substances such as proteins. Biotechnology is used in many different areas. In medicine, it is used to make important drugs like insulin and vaccines. In agriculture, it helps improve crop yield and resistance to pests. In industry, it is used in processes such as fermentation to produce foods like bread, yogurt, and alcohol. Overall, biotechnology helps improve efficiency, productivity, and quality across many industries. Now focusing on yeast, it is a microorganism that plays a key role in biotechnology because it can carry out fermentation. Fermentation is a process in which yeast releases energy from sugars without using oxygen. During this process, yeast breaks down sugars such as glucose into simpler substances. This results in the production of carbon dioxide, ethanol, and a small amount of energy that the yeast uses for growth and survival. Have a look at this equation. It illustrates how a glucose molecule is broken down into ethanol and carbon dioxide.